Hey Spekit fam, and welcome to Spekit Snacks. For today's first episode, I wanted to show you a few of my favorite but lesser known ways I use the Spekit Chrome extension to find answers and resources anywhere I'm working. First up, I'm sure you guys have seen the traditional way to search Spekit in your apps. Just hover over the icon beside defined fields and terms, and boom, your processes and training appear. But I can also right-click any word or key phrase across any application to automatically search. For example, let's say I'm browsing LinkedIn, I see the term MPSP, and curious to learn if we have any training on that tool. I simply highlight the word and right-click, select Spekit in the menu, and suddenly the Chrome extension populates with any related knowledge from my Spekit library. Okay, so that's super cool, but what if you don't exactly know what you're searching for? For example, maybe I'm an outreach and I want to browse all of our related outreach training content to dig in and kind of figure out what I'm looking for. Easy. Just pop open the Chrome extension, Spekit will automatically show any training available related to the page that you're currently on. So now I can dig into our outreach training and find exactly what I'm looking for. And this is available anywhere on any web app. So whether you're recording a call in Chorus or creating an opportunity in Salesforce, it's there. So you've got a feel for different ways to search with the extension. Here's a few more pro tips. Let's say you're working a lead and you want to access some cold call tips. I search cold call tips. I can flip between different tips using the right or left arrows, or I can click. And I can pop out this window by clicking the expand button so I can have it open on another screen or beside Salesforce while I'm prospecting this lead. For your final Chrome extension close-up tip, I'm a big fan of saving my most used pieces of training so I can easily snag them from anywhere. If you want to curate a personalized collection of training, just click the star button on any spec, and that resource will instantly be added to your My Starred section where you can access it from anywhere. And that concludes today's Spekit Snack. For more pro tips, don't hesitate to reach out to us at any time at support@spekit.co.